Hi guys, Gadgetman404 here, and I've been making a bit of an assumption that most people in this hobby have, and that is quadcopters, planes, boats, RC stuff in general, have got a hobby grade charger. And I had an epiphany, and I thought, whoa, wait a minute. I started out with just one of these chargers. Now it does 2S or 2S there and 3S there. And how it works is it's balance charging, and then one will be red and one will be green, and when they both go green, you know the battery's fully charged. You just leave it doing its thing and it will charge up the battery. And I've been showing you guys the only way is, you have to have a hobby charger. And I thought to myself, wait a minute, I've got another charger. So here's the setup with my other charger. Again, that balance lead comes out of the stock charger. You connect it up to the lead where you connect it to your battery for the hobby grade charger. As long as those 4 pins are touching there, it is now balance charging. And I have been only banging on about a hobby grade charger. This isn't really a hobby grade charger, and it can take over an hour to an hour and a half to charge up batteries in general. The longer time is down to the ampage of the battery, i.e. this is a 2500. So if you're charging up a 1200, it's going to charge quicker than a 25. So this is just showing you guys that there is another way, and I'm actually already editing a video about the hobby grade charger and how to charge up one cell individually. I don't think you can use that method with this charger because you can't regulate 1S, 2S, 3S. This only starts at 2S and goes to 3S. So that method won't work. So I'll still post that video because you will find that interesting. But this is another way. These chargers cost about £10. Hobby grade chargers cost from anything from 40 up to hundreds of pounds if you want one of these 100-watt chargers with parallel boards, and you can charge up 6 batteries in one go and all that kind of thing. This is a bog standard 2S or 3S. They cost me about £10.50 this charger. The make is called PowerPal Pocket 2. CML distributors supplied this to my local model shop. They are no longer a model shop. They went under. Basically, they were in Derby, and they even were not open on the times of when they should have been open. So eventually people just got fed up. They were in the ideal spot. They had the whole market to themselves. If they could just be bothered to turn up to work, they would still be in operation now. But I don't know, circumstances of family and whatever, they couldn't do it, and they've shut, and it's now gone back to the shop it was before. This is what I stick my little all-in-one camera to. Mine is the AKK. I don't know the full version of the coding, but if you look it up on the AKK website, I paid about £15. Mine is, I think it's up to 600 milliwatts. You can change it. 1 dash is 25 milliwatts or milliamps, milliwatts. 2 dashes is a 200, and then 3 dashes it goes up to, I think, a 600. And I just stick my batteries on top of my Bebop, so I'm getting a different point of view now, not just the camera point of view, but you can see how much it gets battered about in the wind, because you can now see the actual drone itself is moving, but the camera is so good, the gimbal is so good that you don't even notice that it's being blown around. But I was flying it yesterday and didn't like it, so I only did 2 short flights and decided I'm not going to risk it. So smash that subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Smash that like button, drop me comments. I do get back to all comments left me. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch my stuff. So continue to do so. More videos to come. Gadget Man 404 out.